some of the interesting concepts and technologies being teased ahead of this year's Zhuhai Air Show in China is a light vehicle-mounted swarm launcher that looks likely to be capable of launching up to 18 drones. Its capabilities are largely reminiscent of the systems China tested in 2020, which underscores the speed at which the arsenal of armed drone systems continues to expand in China. Based on machine translation, the system is designed to function as a lightweight and highly maneuverable drone swarm launcher. Ammunition comes in individual launch tubes for easy reloading and is said to be available in information gathering and attack configurations. This will allow the system to perform across multiple core mission sets outlined by CCTV, including reconnaissance, area control, damage assessment, precision attack, and saturation attack cluster attack. When equipped with explosives, CCTV explains that the drones would be ideal for striking ground personnel, lightly armored vehicles, simple fortifications, and other high-value targets such as radar facilities. When compared to, for example, the Israeli-made Mini Harpy produced by EO or the US-designed Switchblade roaming munitions manufactured by AeroVironment, the drones that can be seen in the CCTV clips clearly adopt similar physical characteristics. The drone's narrow body, pop-out wings and V-shaped tail seem to follow this design in some capacity, especially considering how this collapsible main wing is a relatively common configuration for canister drones. Regardless, this similarity to the existing system could at least give a clue as to how COAG drones might work in combat. Two of the unidentified roaming ammunition, or mock-ups thereof, that the system would ostensibly be capable of launching can be seen in the footage. One is on display with its wings popping out of the side of the vehicle and one extending out from inside the launch tube with its wings retracted. The gimbal sensor turret is also visible on the nose of the drone shown. This will provide a remote video feed for reconnaissance and targeting. A mix of drones loaded with different payloads, from warheads to electronic surveillance measures to video surveillance to jammers, would be ideal for deploying swarm-like capabilities against complex target sets.